So this might look to you like a push-up, twist-up popsicle, which it could be, but it's actually not. It is one of the most powerful, all-natural facial peels and mask combos infused with vitamin C that you will ever try, and you can make it yourself right now. So all you need is 3 ingredients, and what you will need are these little plastic reusable, they are used mainly for cosmetics, and you can also use them if you're making push-up popsicles, but it's basically a push-up container with a little lid, and I will put the link for that underneath this video because that's going to be very useful for this recipe. All right, so let's get going with our mask. You need about a cup of organic strawberries. You need about a cup of fresh or frozen pineapple, and you need about 2 teaspoons of Amla powder, also known as Indian gooseberry. So I'm simply going to pop these in my food processor. You could use a blender, but a food processor for me just does a little bit of a better job and a quicker job. And then in goes the Amla powder. So now the Amla powder is a food, the Indian gooseberry, that is so high in vitamin C, so you are getting a potent vitamin C peel / mask on your face by using this. So let's put the power on, that will help. Pulse it a few times. Now you will have to just wipe down the sides with a little spatula a few times, and also particularly sort of dig around just to make sure that the Amla powder doesn't settle at the bottom of the food processor. So then add about 1/4 cup of filtered water, because that thins it out a little bit, so it makes it a little bit more easy to pour. Then we're just going to pulse again a couple of times, and we're good. Okay, so now I am going to simply fill these little push-up molds with this potent vitamin C and fruit acid, all natural, of course. It's a peel mask for your face. And we'll do the other one. Just have 2, one for me, one for my daughter, because I know she'll be a little bit jelly if I don't make one for her. We can do like a beauty evening, a mask Monday maybe. Now, here's what I want to show you also, is if you have some left, oops, that's perfect, like I do in there, you could just simply, because it is a little bit bitter because of the Amla powder, so if you wanted to make a no sugar added a push-up popsicle, you could add just a few drops of stevia extract or a little bit of monk fruit, and then you have a beautiful sweet push-up popsicle. And check the link underneath this video, because I have another recipe using these exact molds for a beautiful creamy strawberry popsicle too. So now these are going to go in the freezer, and I'm going to freeze them overnight or until you're ready to use them, but for at least 12 hours because you want them to get nice and hard. Okay, here we are, towel around the neck. I've just been applying it. It's icy. It feels really strange because it feels like I'm putting a popsicle on my face, which basically I am. But it's cooling, it's soothing, it's vitamin C, and it's beginning to tingle now because of all those fruit acids. Okay, I'm gonna go lie down now for 10 minutes and let it do its thing. And then when the time's up, you're going to get a warm face cloth and just remove. You might have to do quite a few rinses. Oh, my skin is feeling very, very glowy and nice. So that's it, and when you're done, all you need to do is just screw the cap back on these little handy twist up containers and pop them back in the freezer. So that's how easy it is. And what I love about this DIY is not only is it all natural, obviously it's made from ingredients that you can actually eat, but because of the container, it's really, really easy to apply. And then you probably get about 4 or 5 masks, peels out of each twist up container. So if you work out the cost per application, it really is a big money saver. So keep them in your freezer. It's really fun to do in the summer, but you can do it in the winter as well. A little bit messy, but who cares? It's just a really fun experience, and it's fun to do with friends and family. As I said, I love to do it with my daughter. So let me know what you think, and do check out some of my other DIY videos, especially my vitamin C videos, because I have a lot of different skincare and vitamin C videos, as well as all my nutrition videos, and a new one comes out every single week. I will see you next time. Bye.